WatchOS 9.3.1 on the Apple Watch Ultra. Is it any good? Let's find out. Okay, so per request from all of you, we're gonna do a battery test on the Apple Watch Ultra. We're gonna see just how long the Apple Watch Ultra will last. My guess is 54 hours. Apple says 36 hours. Let's find out what happens, shall we? So at the moment, we are sitting at 33%. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on the charger there, and we're gonna see, number one, how fast will it charge from 33%. So 6:56 is our start time. Let's see how long it takes. Check, 7:14, 51%. All right, another quick check. 7:38, and we are at 78%. Okay, just got notified. Full 100% charge, so let's put this on. Okay, so we are at 100%. Now, I have always on display, and I have walkie-talkie enabled right there. I have cellular enabled for when I'm not on Wi-Fi, but most of the time, honestly, I will be on Wi-Fi. And I'm going to use the Wayfinder face. This will be the most complication-heavy watch face, giving me my activity, my energy burned, the weather, how much caffeine I've had. It also has the Waterbinder app and the Zero app, and if I want to make some notes with my voice. Okay, after some sleep, let's go ahead and see what this battery's at. We are currently at 90%. So I'm at 90% right now, and that, doing the math quickly, gives me a projected 96 hours of battery life. I've been using it for a little over 10 hours, 0.92 per hour drain while I was sleeping, 96 hours projected. If I've learned one thing doing these battery tests, it never gets that 96 hours. So I'm still gunning for that 54-hour mark. I did just update the WatchOS to 9.3.1, so who knows what the battery life's gonna be now. So let's take this watch for a spin through the day and see what happens. So one thing I'm gonna do today, I'm only working a half day, and then I have a dental appointment to take care of after that. I should have some time to go to the gym and work out, so I'll definitely be able to test the battery effect on that. As far as the battery, while I work out, I don't have it set to go into low power mode. You know, I could easily do that and save some battery, but I prefer to have that always on display going and to be able to have all the metrics available as live as possible. If I were doing a run maybe, or cycling or something, then I would for sure have that low power mode on. I highly recommend it for that because you don't need the GPS and you don't need the heart rate as frequently because your pace is going to be pretty consistent. But with weightlifting, I like to see how fast it goes up and how fast it drops and to check my heart rate zones. We'll see how today goes. Alright, so quick update on the watch. I'm currently at 76% and it is 1:22 p.m. So after looking at all the data on that, that puts me at a projected 70 hours right now of battery life. So I'd be impressed if I get 70, still thinking I'm gonna get 54, which for an Apple Watch is incredible. All right, so I get to go to the gym, and right now my battery is at 70%. So we'll go ahead and see how well the battery does. My experience so far is 3% battery drop if I'm not in low power mode. So let's see how good my battery is after this workout. 70% starting. So I'm at 66% now. Once I actually got to the gym, I was at 69. So it was 3% drop. Pretty much as I expected, so. Okay, so we're 22 hours in right now. I'm at 57% battery life. So I've drained 43% so far, and that's a projected 52 hours of battery life. Okay, quick battery check. It's 41% at 6:40 a.m. So here we are, 36 hours in. According to Apple, my battery should be dead. I've only drained
62% of my battery. So I currently have 38% battery left. I'm still projected to get about 57 hours. So that's pretty incredible, Apple. One thing's for sure, Apple will undersell how good it really is. So let's see how close we can get to 57 hours. So this is incredible. I am sitting at 45 hours right now on one charge on my Apple Watch Ultra, and I'm sitting at 12% battery life. Right now I'm still projected to get a little over 50 hours, and we're gonna see if I can make it there or if I can go past 50 hours. So here we are, 49 hours in, and I have 3% battery life left. So at this point, being that it's 9:30 p.m., I'm planning on going to bed. I'm just gonna end up charging it overnight, which is the worst because I like sleep tracking, but I wanted to test this out for you guys. I thought maybe there was a chance that the battery would last through the night, and then I would just see what time it died in the middle of the night, give you guys an exact amount of hours. But at this moment, I'm projected, so I'm at 49 hours right now. According to my calculations, based on how the battery's been going, I should get at least another hour and a half of battery life. But I am pretty tired tonight, so I'm gonna end up just going to bed. It's been pretty fun doing the test. I hope you guys learned something from this. And there's one thing for sure, the Apple Watch Ultra way exceeded the estimated 36 hours that Apple said you'd get with all the settings straight out of the box, just like I have. So good job, Apple.